Amir Mu'tasim Dawood from MIC, Sudan, Military Industry Corporation. Why we are here in IDEX 2019, we want to say to all the world, our region, Sudanese products are the best choice for for your defense, because our engineers produce these products according to the weather and to the nature of our region. First of all, we have this armored vehicle. It's Al-Kinania, called Al-Kinania. It has a radar with camera, and it is maximum range is about 30 kilometers. This armored vehicle, duration up to 24 hours because it has 2 fuel tanks. It is the first time we bring this vehicle to IDEX. This is Sharif 2. This armored personnel carrier. It can carry 10 persons. For the first time you can see it is normal use for several countries and many army forces, but they use it with 14.5 anti-tank machine gun. Here in Sudan, we developed this vehicle. We mount a gun with 73 millimeters. Sarsar 2, this armored personnel carrier. It carry 3 barrels, 12.7 millimeters machine gun, heavy machine gun. Al-Karaba, it is tactical jeep. It is powerful and heavy-duty vehicle. It is armored against small bullets. It is for the first time we show it in IDEX.
So NLMK is a large group having different production sites all over the world, but only one site, Clabec, is producing ballistic steels. We produce also wear-resistant plates and highly strength plates, but today, of course, the focus is on ballistic steel, the Quardian. We are an integrated mill. We do the casting, rolling, and quenching and tempering, always with the same route. So we in Clabec offer a wide range in ballistic steel from 400 Brunel to 600 Brunel in different thicknesses from 3.5 millimeter up to 40 millimeter. And yes, we are growing every year, opening stocks all over the world and developing our presence wherever we can. Of course, we keep on developing our network, our sales network, and we have strategies to be always more present locally for just-in-time deliveries and with very skilled persons, people that can accompany the customers and help them in choosing the right material that they need.
Something very interesting to mention, the presence of Egypt. Indeed, it's the first time that Egypt exhibits armored vehicle, and in particular the ST-500, which is just behind me, and the ST-100. The ST-500 is a light tactical vehicle. The ST-100 is an MRAP. It's manufactured by International Marathon United Technology Group.
We are presenting Institute of Radiophysics and Electronics of the National Academy of Sciences of the Republic of Armenia. We are presenting some production of our institution. Mainly they are radar components, low noise amplifiers for rocket systems. Also, we are presenting combined radar with infrared thermal night and day vision cameras. It is a surveillance system with confirmation of target which are detected.
My name is Gagik Bunyatan. I am presenting here LT Pirkal company from Armenia. Here we're presenting our latest design is optics detection and jamming system. So in this device working 3 lasers, one for scanning and detecting of targets. Among them could be optical devices, electro-optical devices like CCD cameras, CMOS cameras, night vision devices, etc. Next pair of laser and receiver is intended for precise targeting of the system, and the third powerful laser is for jamming of optical targets. System is controlled remotely by operator in distance up to 20 meters and could work in automatic mode.
I am a director of Yerevan Telecommunication Research Institute, and main purpose of our works is communication means and radar techniques. And we design different type of radar. In here you can see these radars, only models. Really they working, and we produce it there in different bands. It is meter bands, S bands, X bands, different type and different purpose. All of radars, it is mobile, and more important that deployment time less than 5 minutes.
I'm presenting Armenian company Aragas Limited. It was founded in 1992, and currently we are designing the optical systems, infrared and day systems, day vision systems. We are a manufacturer of lens, of optical sights and surveillance systems for civil usage. And due to the low prices provided by our company, we are competitive in our market, and we can suggest our customers the lowest prices they can find in the market currently, and the performance and the quality of the systems, and makes our company competitive and the main supplier of our defense ministry.
My name is Marcin Szender. We are from MSP Poland. I'm managing director of this company. We are a small private-owned company dealing with UAVs since 20 years. That's our first time at IDEX at Abu Dhabi. We brought 2 types of UAV system. The first one is the system behind me. It's the Warble Fly. It's a loitering munition flight. It's the weaponized UAV system with the 1.6 kilogram warhead. We have other system which we brought with us. It's the target drones. We got the 2 types of target drone. First of all is the twin jet. It's a high-speed jet-powered target drone. Another one is the low-speed. It's a Hornet.
One of the largest pavilions here at IDEX 2019 is the Chinese one, on which they have chosen to show land, air and sea products. It's really impressive as it goes up to the laser weaponry. Among the products the Chinese chose to exhibit at IDEX 2019, there is the heaviest drone we could see in the whole exhibition. And look at the armament carried by this drone. It's a grenade launcher, normally a weapon that you'd never see on a drone. One of the stars of IDEX 2019 is the Silent Hunter from the Chinese. It can detect a target up to 24 kilometers and destroy it at a minimum distance of 200 meters and up to 4 kilometers.
My name is Tanja Nikolic. I'm project manager for project ammunition production line. We are producing equipment for production of all small calibers from 5.56 up to 12.7. The capacity of the line is 200 pieces per minute, and what is special regarding our project that we are not only suppliers of equipment, but we are just consultants that capable for transferring know-how for the whole project and training of local staff.
Development manager from TRB. I will tell you a couple of words about vehicle Despot. Vehicle Despot is a vehicle concept 4x4 developed in TRB in Bosnia according to wishes and needs and requirement of police special units. Vehicle is designed and have a modular concept depending of equipment. It can be according to requirement of end user as combat vehicle, can be ambulance vehicle, can be vehicle for patrol, riot control, etc., etc.
My name is Milan and I am project manager for RS9 pistol, RS9 Vampire. Our pistol is chambered in 9x19 ammunition with capacity of 18 rounds. Some of the unique features on our pistol, for example, is this lever over here. This lever serves two purposes. One is to hold the slide in rear position when gun is empty, and when the operator changes the gun, it's ready to use. Another feature, when you push up this lever, it decocks the gun. Trigger weight on this gun in single action is 2.2 kilos, in double action is 5.5 kilos. Gun is also serrated both front and back, because we all know there's lots of handgun manipulation, so somebody do rack the gun like this, somebody like this, you know, and there's a big thing about press checks now, so we want to accommodate everybody. Gun also have ambidextrous mag release, so you can activate it from both sides for left-handed and right-handed users.